Hello theory class. This video serves as the introduction to chapter 27, which is discussing post-tonal harmony, right? Post-tonal harmony really being kind of the ending to our theory class adventures, right? It is going to discuss what composers were doing at the turn of the 20th century and after, how they treated pitches, how they treated rhythms, how they organized music, and what they thought of what was going on in the world around them, right? So when we start talking about post-tonal theory, what we're going to first start is basic kind of atonal theory. And atonal meaning lack of any, I would say, leaning towards importance of certain notes. Whereas before, our 5-to-1 relationship was by far the most prominent and the most important. Though that importance did wane towards the end there. But still, it played an extremely, extremely important role in the organization of music. That is not true in this case anymore. We have notes, in fact, all the pitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pitches that are now treated all equally. That being said, when we go through this chapter, please make sure that you keep continuity when referring to pitches. Don't switch between E flat and D sharp. Consistently call it a D sharp. You will see throughout these lectures, probably because of my history as a string player and as a pianist, right, a classical pianist, I will be using the sharps. So if there is an E flat in music, I will be referring to it as a D sharp. We need to start thinking inharmonically, just like when we were working with inharmonic equivalency in terms of seventh chords, diminished seven chords. We have to now start thinking inharmonically equivalency with pitches. B sharp is the same as C, A sharp is the same as B flat. So when you start hearing me talk about different pitches, you'll hear me do the chromatic scale with sharps. You'll hear me go C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A sharp B, C. Right? You will not hear me use any flats. I tend to not use that many flats. It gets confusing after a while, right? So be very, very careful of our vocabulary throughout here that we need to be paying attention to, and be very, very careful of all of the steps that I will be outlining in how to work through these musical examples, okay? So, that being said, buckle up for a very interesting ride, and I will see you in the next video.